Jamaica. Land of wood and water, land of sunshine and smiles, Jamaicans know how to enjoy life. Every day is a celebration. Why? Because Jamaicans understand something special. Life is precious. They don't waste time being sad. They embrace the joy. They dance, they sing, they laugh. Jamaica is full of life. From the bustling streets of Kingston to the beaches of Montego Bay, you can feel the energy. This is not just a vacation vibe. This is how Jamaicans live. Every single day, they know that life is a gift, and they are here to unwrap it and enjoy every bit. Music is everywhere in Jamaica. It's the heartbeat of the island. Reggae music especially. It's not just music. It's a feeling. It's about peace, love, and unity. Bob Marley, the king of reggae, spread this message worldwide. He taught us to don't worry, be happy. And Jamaicans take that to heart. They celebrate his birthday every February, but it's not just Bob. Jamaica has a rich musical heritage. From ska to dancehall, music is in their soul. It lifts their spirits. It brings them together. It's the soundtrack to their lives. Life in Jamaica can be tough. Things are not always easy. But Jamaicans have a way of looking past the struggles. They focus on the good. They find joy in the everyday. Maybe it's the sunshine, maybe it's the food, or maybe it's something deeper. Jamaicans understand that life is short, and they are determined to make the most of it. They don't wait for special occasions. They celebrate life itself. Every day is a new beginning, a chance to give thanks, a chance to dance, a chance to be happy. So what can we learn from Jamaicans? We can learn to embrace the joy in life. We can learn to find reasons to celebrate, even in the small things. We can learn to dance like nobody's watching. We can learn to appreciate the moment. We can learn to live like every day is a party, just like they do in Jamaica. Why? Because life is too short not to. So go ahead, turn up the reggae music, grab a friend and celebrate. You won't regret it. One love.